If you're ordering a Defendor 316 marine grade stainless steel door with the width measurement over 1000mm, you will need a centre bar, as the mesh at this size requires additional support. To measure your centre bar, measure from the bottom track to the centre bar on your existing screen door or the vision marks on the existing solid door. Enter your centre bar measurement in the field provided. If you do not want a centre bar, we suggest ordering a perf guard door which is rigid and therefore does not require a centre bar. We recommend taking all measurements twice. If you get different measurements, have someone check them for you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact one of our friendly staff.